second day namin.
Good morning, breakfast tayo. Buti na lang naka-breakfast buffet kami kasi less than 30 rooms daw yung nag-book. Dated lang yung breakfast. So, breakfast at Kuya Jay's.
Kaya ngayon, Kuya Jay, breakfast. Select.
Ang pala yun.
Matik. Yan ka na.
Iniskip niya ang palaya at ang gate. Butter. Bread, jam.
Anong breakfast ko?
Ayan, okay.